Aloha, Kauai. This is your County of Kauai briefing for Thursday, April 7th. We're moving these updates to Thursdays so we can bring you the latest information now that the Department of Health updates their weekly data on Wednesdays. Kauai's case counts continue to decline, and we now have one of the lowest rates of COVID in the state. Our 7-day case average is now 4 cases per day, with a test positivity rate of 3.4%. Mahalo to all of you who came out last week for our free test kit distribution. And we're sorry to those of you who arrived after we ran out. We gave away all 15,000 tests, and we are ordering more. Please help our bus drivers and airport workers out. Wearing a mask is optional most places now, but the federal government still requires them on public transportation. You must wear a mask on the Kauai bus and on private shuttles, and at the airport through April 18th. Most other places, it's your choice now. Now, let's welcome Kauai District Health Officer Dr. Janet Berriman for Ask Dr. B. Throughout the pandemic, our incredible healthcare providers on this island stepped up to provide vaccines and testing to keep our community safe. Now that the state's emergency order has ended, many clinics are reducing hours or closing. Dr. B, what do we need to know about the changes?
Thanks, Mayor. The dedicated vaccination clinics and drive-through testing sites operated throughout the pandemic by our healthcare partners, hospitals, and pharmacies have been a great service to the community. With demand now at very low levels, access to vaccinations and testing is moving back into the usual healthcare settings where people get those services for other conditions. If you need a test or a vaccine, you can go to a pharmacy or clinic or contact your healthcare provider. For a list of pharmacies and clinics offering vaccinations and boosters, visit kauai.gov/vaccine. For testing locations, visit kauai.gov/COVID-test.
A huge mahalo from all of us to all of our Kauai healthcare providers. We are keeping the county's testing center and mobile testing van open on their full schedules. The testing center at the War Memorial Convention Hall in Lihue is open weekdays from 8 a.m. to 3:30, and the mobile van is open at a different neighborhood each day, Wednesdays through Sundays. Dr. B, how about using home tests instead of coming in to get tested?
Home tests are a convenient way to test yourself for COVID. They're readily available and give you an answer in just 15 minutes in the privacy of your own home. You can use them before visiting vulnerable people, after being exposed, after traveling, or if you're experiencing symptoms. Home test kits are widely available at pharmacies around the island, and your insurance may cover the cost. Or if you haven't yet ordered your free tests from the federal government, visit covidtest.gov to have them mailed to your address.
Last week, the federal government approved a second booster shot for certain people. Who is eligible now?
The CDC and FDA approved a second booster of Pfizer or Moderna vaccines for anyone 50 years of age or older. In addition, people 12 or older with weakened immune systems and anyone who received only the Johnson & Johnson vaccine are also eligible for a second booster. The second booster is available at pharmacies and in some healthcare facilities. Check kauai.gov/vaccine for information.
Last question. What about the new medications that can treat people who are infected with COVID? Are those available here?
Yes, more treatment and prevention options are becoming available for those at high risk. These require a prescription from a healthcare provider. People who are at high risk due to their age, chronic health conditions, or weakened immune system can talk to their healthcare providers about whether medications for COVID-19 are right for them.
Thanks, Dr. B. The first case of COVID on Kauai was over 2 years ago, and the impact has taken a toll on all of us. Everyone needs help. We all need someone who cares to talk to. Work Life Hawaii continues to offer free telephone counseling to all Kauai residents. Please call Work Life Hawaii for more information or to schedule an appointment. You can reach them at 808-543-8445. It's completely free and totally confidential. This week is National Public Health Week, and we kicked it off with a proclamation ceremony on Monday. The pandemic showed us how critically important public health workers are for our community. The Kauai District Health Office is highlighting a public health topic each day this week. This year's topic include the health impacts of racism, building a healthcare workforce, working collaboratively with community partners, health services as a human right, healthcare accessibility, climate change, and mental wellness. Let's all continue working together to improve health in our community. Mahalo, Kauai.